guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Okay, guys, so today, thought that would be so cool. I'm just be like, the iPhone XS. I'll be talking about the iPhone XS. I got a lot of comments from you guys about how like you guys were like oddly upset that I got a new phone because I had the X and then I upgraded to the XS. And a lot of you guys were really upset at me calculating what I did wrong. But like I see where you guys are coming from because the XS isn't that different from the X. But the thing is, the thing is that I have the T-Mobile Jump program, so if I don't upgrade to the new phone, I lose a lot of money because it's the phone you have, and then once a new phone comes out, you should jump to the new phone so that you save the amount of money that's the difference between the phones. I'll link down the T-Mobile Jump program. It's just, it saves money and it's just honestly more efficient if I just upgrade to a new phone. That's all I'm trying to say. But yeah, so this is the iPhone XS and I have a couple things to say about it. So let's just get into it. Also, if you like my case, it's a Kroma case and I love Kroma, so the link will be down below if you want a Kroma case. They're my fave. So let's get into it. Again, I said this before, the iPhone XS is not that different from the X. And in my past video, I did say that the screen was a little bit bigger because a T-Mobile employee told me it was a little bigger, so she really did me dirty. Because I can use all my iPhone X cases and they fit perfectly fine on my XS. So I'm really about to call this T-Mobile employee out for lying to me. Thank you. She really was trying to sell me something. I mean it worked, but like anyways, so yeah, I apologize for saying that. Well, obviously the system is completely new. Like, I don't know if you can just get it, like if it's just an upgrade that any of your phones can have, but this, and I think it is, I think it's just like, if you want to update to the new iOS whatever, like you can just do that and you'll have all the features of the iPhone XS. But yeah, like for example, one of the craziest things to me about this phone is the measuring app. That drives me insane. Like I had to show a bunch of professors this in my like science labs because I was like, what? Like this is insane. This is insane. Let me show you guys. And by the way, I have tested the measurements and they are actually correct, which really scares me. So here's the measure app. So then if I make a point here, for example, right, then I'll do the point to here and then it'll tell me it's 8 inches. And then I can also do it from the back, the whole dimensions of this box. Isn't this insane? And then also I could level and use a level and see if I am leveled or not. So like if I want to do this, like this isn't leveled, and then you could also do it like this. It's just insane to me. And then all the way down on my dresser, it's telling me that it's 7 feet and 4 inches. Isn't that insane? This phone honestly scares me. Like, can you imagine the radiation that comes from this phone? Honestly though, like seriously. What's really cool is that you could insert contacts. You could go to your own contact. You could also do a medical ID. Show medical ID. Like you could add anything you want in there. Like, this is what you could do. So you could add your date of birth, medical conditions, medical notes, allergies and reactions, medications, blood type, organ donor, weight, height, emergency contact. In case you're in an accident and someone finds your phone, you go to emergency call, right down here it'll be like a medical ID, and if you click on the medical ID then you could see that person's medical ID, which I think is just genius. I wish it was just more accessible because I feel like now a lot of people are gonna know about this, but here I am telling you, so you should totally do that. And in case you ever see anyone in an accident, God forbid, totally use that because that's genius to me, in my opinion. Also, on this version of the iPhone, Apple Pay is just super accessible. Like, you could just easily like reach in Apple Pay anything. The iPhone XS is faster and there's more storage in there, so I could store all my millions of photos real easy. And also, this could be just me and that I never noticed, but the compass like got so much more intense. So this is the compass now, and it also tells you where you are. Like right now it's telling me New York, New York, and it says 30 feet elevation. I should have done it when I was hiking in my college town, because we know the elevation through a GPS. Like I should have, I just noticed this. Like I didn't know that there's just... And yeah, and also the messenger format is different. I'm getting the funnest parts. So here are all of your options here to do. Oh yeah, so you see like Apple Pay is like super accessible. Like you could do that with anyone now, which is really weird. Other apps somehow on this, like I don't even understand. Like what if I go on Pandora? It'll just open up on Pandora and I could just play something. Use any of your apps over here and just send something there, which is really weird. And emojis, because that's what everyone loves. I do this very often. I love the bunny though. This is a thing. So this is a thing that I do often. I made me, but it's honestly kind of creepy and I kind of hate it and don't use it very often. So yeah, but definitely what I use the most is GIFs. I think that's everywhere though, but like I use GIFs so often. Portrait mode, back facing and front facing, which I love. Oh my god, I have something really cool to show you though. Hold up. With FaceTime. It's messed up. Just let me FaceTime myself, please. So on FaceTime, you could do effects now, which is so cool. So you could do the monkey thing. Like, and just chill like this on FaceTime, which is so fun. Filters. Wait, this is cute. Then you could put text on. GarageBand stickers. Okay, so that was my review of the iPhone XS. It kind of was more of a review of iOS, to be honest, but like this is all literally the only change in the iPhone XS from the iPhone X. Oh, but look at this cute little sticker that says I am me. They sent it to me too. Oh, so nice. Oh. But I just wanted to show you guys my favorite iPhone case company that I have shown in so many of my videos because I love them so much. Kroma. And of course I have a code for 10% off and it's JenniferBiana, so if you want to go get a case, 10% off JenniferBiana. My link will be down below. I got 2 cases for my sister, 1 case for my little cousin because it's her birthday soon, and 1 case for me. And here they all are. Such cute packaging, love. And these are the bases. So I got light pink for all of them because I thought that was so precious. And the cool thing about Kroma is that whenever you buy yourself like one of those things, the basing for it, you could use it on whichever one. Like I have a white one that I used to use and I could just plop them on these new cases because they're all interchangeable and just such a great idea. Like I love it. I'll open the one I got for myself first. This is how they open. Just go down like this. And there's directions on exactly how to put it on. For myself, I just wanted this cute little polka dot one. So precious, right? It looks like it's so simple, but so endearing and classy. I love it. It's like cute, it's like snow almost, or like crystals. Like I thought it was so endearing. And we're gonna pair it with the little pink basing to make it pop a little bit more. Like seriously, how cute is this? Oh my god, okay, I'm so ready. My iPhone XS is so ready. It's like so simple but so cute. It's so simple but so cute, I love it. It's just like, oh, adorable. Oh, I love this. Next I told my sister to pick out any two she wanted because she just got the iPhone XR and she needed 2 new cases. So, well, she needed 1 case, but she really wanted 2, so it's fine. So here are the 2 she chose. She chose such funny ones, like they're precious. This one is a little bear and it says bear with me. Oh my god, so cute, so darling. This is so darling for the XR, oh my god. I'm gonna send her a picture right now, and my blankets are pink, so it's gonna be so much. Just, it makes my phone feel so slim and nice, and this one's so elegant and clean. Oh my god, I love it. So cool. And you could just easily pop them out, and they like stay on. So adorable, like it's so interesting and new, and it's just so cool. I love it. It's so artsy. So this one came in this little white packaging. So it's a little bit marky because I'm not going to take the plastic off, but look at this little case. The blue and the pink, like that's just so adorable. Like, am I right? This is so cute. So here it is. This one's for my little cousin Emily. So yeah, I love Kroma. Their cases are so freaking cute. So yeah, so yeah, let me know what you think, and bye guys.